Hey guys, I'm Lily from ABI Interiors and I'm here today with Georgie at the Beechmont Chalet. There's been a lot of progress and she's about to show us around.
Hey guys, let's get into it.
It seems like a lot's happened in here, so tell us, what's been going on?
So it's literally been like a week and a half. It is crazy how fast it's all happening. But basically all the floors are up, the bathroom, kitchen, laundry has been completely gutted. We've got some new walls in, got some new sheeting, and we are up to the part of the rough-in, so we're about to put all in the tapware. Your gorgeous tapware, so yeah, excited.
To see it all.
Do you want me to show you around?
Yes, please.
All right, so this is the downstairs bathroom and laundry.
Yep.
And so what I was explaining in video one was that basically we just want to open up this space because it is a bit dark and dingy. So we've got rid of that wall. And as you can see, it's a lot more open. We've put in a wall that we're going to put the washing machine and laundry.
It does actually all look a lot more open.
Yes.
Now that you've pulled that wall out, you've created these spaces in the laundry.
And that's the big thing here, because it is, you know, a little cottage house, it is quite small. That's what we wanted to do, is just like open up the spaces and have that feeling, even though, you know, keeping all the structure.
Yeah.
So now we're in the kitchen and we do just need to get like new appliances. We're getting a new bench top, repainting the wood, and then yeah, just getting all new tapware in. So as you can see, it's very like, again, dark. So our plan is to completely brighten this up, but we are thinking like sort of marble look stone benches with also a marble look herringbone splashback tile that will also go up this wall here. And then so as you can see, very light colors, very white and bright. Then we will have our feature tapware. So of course, the ABI tapware. So just, you know, think everything white and bright and then having that as a feature. Okay, so let's talk upstairs bedroom. So when you last saw this, there was no flooring.
No.
It was a very small window. So yeah, we've filled in the floor, mezzanine floor, put up railings, and that is going to be like a dwarf wall. And then we've just completely opened up these windows.
So let's talk about the main feature of this whole upstairs. What is happening?
Okay, so my favorite part, I did mention in video one, it is having a bath here in front of the view, because think about it, anytime you go to like a getaway place or something like that, having a bath with a view is just ultimate. So this is probably my favorite thing of the house.
Yeah, and I think it's easier to visualize now that the window's so open.
Yeah, because before it was so closed off.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we've got the black, feels like a candy game. Again, we've got the black matte tapware, which is going to be the feature of the room because everything else is going to be quite white and bright.
Yeah.
So the tap is going to go about here, and then we will have a bath here. So if you think about it, the bath has this amazing view.
Yeah.
And then a big thing too with this room is we have opened up the bathroom because it was tiny.
Yeah.
I think, remember me in the shower?
Yes.
How small, so we had
so much bigger.
We needed to open that up. Should we go have a look?
Yeah, let's look.
So yeah, we have extended this bathroom just because it is an A-frame. So even though it's not an extremely small space, because the roof, you know, is on an angle, it feels a bit small. So we've opened that up. As you can see, the shower is quite big now.
Yeah, and the wall was here, right?
Yeah, so it was tiny. And then one thing we actually did have to do is we had to swap the basin, cabinetry and the toilet, just because there is going to be a clear glass here that doesn't extend the whole way. So we didn't want to, you know, have water hitting the cabinet or anything like that. So we did have to change a couple of things around.
Oh, so you've got an open shower here?
Yes.
Oh, that's going to be nice and cold.
Yeah, freezing. Yeah, imagine. Yeah, and then on the opposite side, we just have created a bit of a walk-in robe. So just, you know, some place to put your clothes and maybe have like a beauty desk or something like that.
So thank you so much for showing us around. It's been so nice to see all the progress, and I can't wait to come back and see what you've done next.
I know, so much has happened, and I'm sure the next time you come back, it will be similar again. In the meantime though, let's embrace this view.